Assalamu alaikum. These videos are based on selective readings of the book titled Learn 90% of the Quran with Frequently Occurring Words. The book is an endeavor to bring the knowledge of the Arabic language to the non-Arab, English-speaking individual to help him or her understand the Quran with classified word lists. The lists are arranged in interesting topics with transliterations of each word, its meanings, its usage in the Quran, the number of times a particular word has occurred, and the particular part of speech it belongs to. It will be of special interest to teachers and students of Arabic grammar who would like to supplement their vocabulary of the language. If you are someone who is interested in understanding the divine message, this book will prove to be an important milestone on that journey. Please follow the link in the description below. Welcome back to our most frequently used words in the Quran. We've covered more than 50% of all the words that have been used in the Quran. The first word for today is akhiri, meaning the last. This word appears 133 times as a noun in the Quran. An example of its usage can be seen in Surah Baqarah, ayah number 62, where Allah says, Man amana billahi wal yawmil akhiri وَآمِلَ صَالِحًا فَلَهُمْ أَجْرُهُمْ عِنْدَ رَبِّهِمْ. And with this, you have learned 52.14% of the Quran. The next word is ba'di, meaning after. This word has appeared 133 times as a noun in the Quran. An example of its usage can be seen in Surah Baqarah, ayah number 27, where God says, الذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه. And with this, you have learned 52.32% of the Quran. The next word is qalb, meaning the heart. This word appears 132 times as a noun in the Quran. An example of its usage can be seen in Surah Al-Mu'min, ayah number 35, where Allah says, كَذَلِكَ يَطْبَعُ اللَّهُ عَلَى كُلِّ قَلْبِ مُتَكَبِّرٍ جَبَّارٍ. And with this, you have done 52.50% of all the word usage in the Quran. The next word is abd, meaning a slave or a servant. This word appears 131 times as a noun in the Quran. An example of its usage can be seen in Surah Baqarah, ayah number 23, where Allah says, وَإِن قُمْتُمْ فِي رَيْبٍ مِّمَّا نَزَّلْنَا عَلَىٰ عَبْدِنَا فَأْتُوا بِسُورَةٍ مِّن مِّثْلِهِ. And with this, you have covered 52.68% of the Quran. The next word is arsala, meaning sent. This word appears 130 times as a verb in the Quran. An example of its usage can be seen in Surah At-Tawbah, ayah number 33, where Allah says, هُوَ الَّذِي أَرْسَلَ رَسُولَهُ بِالْهُدَى وَدِينِ الْحَقِّ. And with this, you have done 52.85% of the Quran. The next word is ahli, meaning the people. This word appears 127 times as a noun in the Quran. An example of its usage can be seen in Surah Baqarah, ayah number 105, where Allah says, مَا يَوَدُّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا مِنْ أَهْلِ الْكِتَابِ. And with this, you have covered 53.02% of the Quran. The next word is أَخَذَ, meaning to take or to extract something. For example, Allah took a promise. This word appears 127 times as a verb in the Quran. An example of its usage can be seen in Surah Al-Imran, ayah number 81, where Allah says, وَإِذْ أَخَذَ اللَّهُ مِيثَاقَ النَّبِيِّينَ. And with this, you have covered 53.19% of the Quran. The next word is ittakhadha, meaning has taken, such as when people accused that Allah has taken a son. This word appears 124 times as a verb in the Quran. An example of its usage can be seen in Surah Baqarah, ayah number 116, where Allah says, وَقَالُوا اتَّخَذَ اللَّهُ وَلَدًا. And with this, you have covered 53.36% of the Quran. The next word is لَعَلَّ, meaning so that you may. This word appears 123 times as an accusative particle in the Quran. An example of its usage can be seen in Surah Baqarah, ayah number 21, where Allah says, يَا أَيُّهَا النَّاسُ اعْبُدُوا رَبَّكُمُ الَّذِي خَلَقَكُمْ وَالَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِكُمْ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ. And with this, you have covered 53.53% of the Quran. The next word is bal, meaning nay. This word appears 122 times as a retraction particle in the Quran. An example of its usage can be seen in Surah Baqarah, ayah number 88, where Allah says, وَقَالُوا قُلُوبُنَا غُلْفٌ بَلْ لَعَنَاهُمُ اللَّهُ بِكُفْرِهِمْ فَقَلِيلًا مَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. And with this, we have covered 53.69% of the Quran today.